Hi, hello. Thanks for your encouragement and your humble and good words for me. Thanks for like viewing my video and suggesting few things. So in those suggestions, like most of the viewers have requested to make the same video in English. So here today I thought of creating the same content that is explaining about which tax resume is best to choose and how to calculate the old tax resume and the new tax resume based on their salaries. So I just tried after doing a lot of research. I understood the topic, so I just thought of sharing my knowledge with you. I hope this will add a bit of knowledge to you too. So I just explained like how to calculate based on the various salaries. So please go and check out and show your likes. If you like the video, please share with your friends and do subscribe to my channel Coffee with Kirtana. Thanks for your encouragement. So let's get started. And if anyone are looking to watch the video in Telugu, I will mention the video link in the description. Please do check out the link which is available in my uh, description. Okay, so let's see like how the tax is calculated for the both the new tax resume and old tax resume. As I seen like several videos and several things to understand this, now I got a clear idea. So I thought of sharing with you people. So let's get started. So there will be a section called deductions, right? Under that there will be an 80 section, that is a 80, which is classified into 80C and 80CCD. So in this section, whatever, like if you have taken any life insurance premium, or if you registered into any unit linked insurance and ELSS, if you have any children tuition fee, and if you have any EPF or national pension scheme and PPF and contribution to Sukanda Samriddhi Yojana, and is if you have any FD like tax, like in order to save tax we are going to fix some deposit like in our bank, so that is termed as a fixed deposit. So if you have any fixed deposits and national saving schemes, if you are going to like if you have applied for such schemes, and if you have any home loans, like what is the principle of that home loan. So, as you seen under ATC section, we will be having various options to avail for the tax benefits. So, if you have applied for any of these, these schemes, then there will be a limit of up to 1,50,000. So, till 1,50,000, you can able to save the tax, like whatever investments you made. Take for an example, if you invested here, life insurance premium has a 50K, and children or PPF will be a 50K, so total 1 lakh, and again the limit is 50K. So you can take for an example, you have invested 50K here, and again you have invested a 50K here. So total amount is 1 lakh you have invested. So you can save up to in this section, under this 80 section you can save up to 1 lakh. Again 50K which is available, that undergoes the tax section. Means for that 50K tax is you know like people are going to take a tax on that remaining 50K. So if you don't want to like if you want to save your more like your amount, then you can apply that more 50K as a fixed deposit. So total under this tax saving section, if you invested these cases till 1,50,000, if you have invested, then you are going to save the 1,50,000 from your total amount of salary. So this is one scheme, and these are the various schemes we will be having. So after that, so till here you can save up to 1,50,000, not more than that. But still, if you are going to save again like a 50K more, if you wanted to save 50K more from your salary, then you can go for this additional benefit of national pension scheme, which is having a limit up to only 50K, not more than that. Here up to 50K you can invest, nothing more than that. So totally you can save under 80C section. So under 80C section, you can save up to 2 lakhs. Means whatever the salary you are getting, from that you can able to save 2 lakhs, and like tax savings, under the tax savings, you can save up to 2 lakhs. So uh, I hope this is clear, right? Next, like let's move to other sessions, like where we can save even more amount of money. And there is another section called ATGG HRA, means house rent allowances. So there will be a section which is mentioned in your salary cutout or salary breakout details. There you can find out how much amount you can invest here and save a tax on that. So take for an example, I am going to invest 1 lakh. Means it's not an investment, but it's a proof that you are staying. If you are staying in a rented home, then you can show it in under the tax section, so that under this one, like for this 1 lakh also we can save the tax. But anyways, we are paying this 1 lakh to some of the, like one of the owners of, like the residence where we are staying, like we are going to pay these 1 lakh to those people. So we can show under, like, okay, these are the expenses I will be having, so please don't cut the tax for this amount of money. So that's how we can save the tax. So till here, how much amount we can show? It's all about 2 lakhs plus 1 lakh, total 3 lakhs. Means whatever the salary you're getting, from that total salary, 3 lakhs will be deduct, means 3 from like 3 lakhs will be excluded without having any tax. Okay, I hope these are all clear, right? So next we can move into other session. So there exist some other sections also where you can avail tax benefits again. There is a one more option called interest on education loan. See, if you have taken any interest on this education loan, that also you can mention here as your expenses, so that you can avail the tax benefit. And one more, interest on home loan. Whatever the interest, previously we will be having principal on the home loan. So if you see here, here you can mention only the principal amount, like how much principal you have taken. Here you can mention about the interest. So this is another section where we can mention the interest. So if you can add here, like whatever the amount you are spending on the interest, you can add here. And there is an insurance block, like where we can, if you are paying any insurance for yourself or for your parents, we can get a tax benefit up to 50K per year. So that you can mention. And next is home loan interest up to 2 lakhs. So if you have any home loans, like there you can mention here again. This is under 24B. Again, you can mention here 2 lakhs. Like the limit is will be the 2 lakhs. If you purchased any electronic vehicle, there, like you can also show the cost which you like which you spend on that electric vehicle. And there is a proper standard deduction, means this 50K is exempted by government itself. Like whether you can invest or not, they're going to exclude the 50K from the tax from your total pay. And if you people are like investment kings, like if you know each and every investment clearly, then there will be an others section where there will be exist some limits to each and every investments. So based on that limits, you can invest based on your amount, which like amount you get. So I hope these are the different ways of means these are the different schemes available to save the tax. So this is clear, right? So now let's calculate how the new tax resume and old tax regime gets calculated. Let's take an example. So let's move that. So take for an example, if a person is earning a 9 lakhs, and as I shown in the previous video, like in the previous session, if he invested all his investments count or investment amount is still 5 lakhs, means in hand salary he can get 4 lakhs. 5 lakhs will be gone under investments. So investments are not taxable, which means there exists some limit. So according to the limits, based on the limits, if he invested cleverly, then he can save up to 5 lakhs without availing any tax. And in hand salary he can get 4 lakhs. So whatever the in hand salary he is getting, that will be a taxable income. So how the old tax regime is calculated? Let's see. These 4 lakhs is get divided into 2.5 lakh interval according to the old regime, old tax regime. So 2.5 lakhs is one of the interval, and next interval is um, from the 2.5 lakhs again what is the amount remained. So 2.5 and remaining 1.5 means they will divide the remaining amount in based on these intervals, means every for every 2.5 lakh there will be a different tax regime applied. And see, 4 lakhs is divided, if the 4 lakhs is divided in terms of these intervals, then for every 2.5 lakh, after 2.5 lakh there will be a remaining amount 1.5 lakh, so total 4 lakhs, means 4 lakhs is divided based on these intervals. And for the first 2.5 lakh there will be no tax, and for the next 1.5 lakh there will be a tax of 5%. So now how they are going to calculate? For the 1.5 lakh there will be a 5% of tax availed by the government. So if we calculated the 5% in this 1.5 lakh, what is the amount? 7,500. And along these 7,500, on this 7,500, there will be a 4% education cess, that is 300. Therefore the total taxable amount which the person who earns 9 lakhs and who saves like out of 9 lakhs he is going to save 5 lakhs, and on the remaining 4 lakhs there will be a tax. So total amount 7,800 is the tax according to the old regime. So now let's move into the new regime. So how the tax is calculated here? Here, like for every 3 lakhs the tax is calculated. See, there is an interval of 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs and next 3 lakhs and next 3 lakhs, next 3 lakhs. So that's how they have divided the percentage of tax. So if take for an example, ours criteria is 4 lakhs, right? If the 4 lakhs is divided according to the new regime, that is in the intervals, for the first 3 lakhs there will be no tax, and for the next 1 lakh there will be a tax of 5%. So for the 1 lakh tax of 5%, what is the amount? 5,000. And for the 5,000 there will be education cess of 4%, so that is 200, total 5,200. So this is how you can calculate. So now according to the 9 lakhs person, which tax is the best one? New tax regime is the best one. I hope this is clear. So overall the concept here is, if you invest more and more, then old regime is the best one, you can choose. If your investments are less, then go for the new regime, that is the short form. But still how you're going to calculate means whichever, like I have explained in the video, right? According to that you just mention your expenses in that sheet and then calculate which tax regime is going to reduce your taxable amount. So I hope this is clear. If you have any queries, please mention in the comments. If I know any of those, I can give answers to you. So this is how you need to calculate the old regime and new regime. Okay, take another example. Has my most of the viewers requested to calculate for the 12 lakhs package, so let me explain here. So if he earns 12 lakhs as his package, and if he saves 5 lakhs, then the taxable income will be 7 lakhs. So let's calculate how the tax is calculated under the old regime and the new regime. As I said, the remaining whichever the amount is there, that is divided as based on these intervals. So in the old, according to the old tax regime, for every 2.5 lakhs and till 5 lakhs, like they have divided 2.5, 2.5 and again 5 lakhs difference, and again for about 10 lakhs there will be a 30%. So this is how they will divide the amount. See, for the first two intervals there will be difference of 2 lakhs, means for every 2.5 lakhs there will be 0% tax, and there again 5% tax, and next 5 lakhs the charge is about 20% tax, and about 10 lakhs there will be 30% tax. So this is how they will calculate. And according to the new tax regime, for every 3 lakhs they have decided to do a tax calculations. So for every 3 lakhs the percentage varies. So based on these conditions, if we divide this 7 lakhs like this, Like 0 to 2.5 is 0%, and again 2.5 to 5 lakh is 5%, and remaining till here we have finished 5 lakhs, and remaining in this 5 to 10 lakhs interval we remained with 2 lakhs. So total 7 lakhs, means total 7 lakhs is divided according to this, like according to this, based on these intervals they have divided this amount. And if we calculated like 5% and 20%, so if anyone doesn't know how to calculate the percentage, so this is how we can calculate. See, for the first 2.5 lakhs, 0%, 0 by 100, that is 0, plus for the next 2.5 lakhs 5%, that is 12,500, and the remaining 2 lakhs there will be a 20%, that is 40,000. So total amount will be 52,500. So on the total amount, again there will be a common tax, that is education cess, that is 4% tax. So for on this 52,500 there will be a 4% tax, which is 2,100. So now the total tax which we need to pay under the old tax regime is 54,600. Every year we have to pay this amount of money. So this divided by 12 is the taxable income for your in-hand salary. So similarly, if it calculate for the new tax regime, for the first 3 lakhs is 0%, for the next 3 lakhs is 5%, and the remaining there will be a 1 lakh remain from the total taxable income, that is 7 lakhs. So if we calculate the tax according to the percentages given in the new tax regime, 0%, 5%, 10%, that is 25,000, plus among this amount there will be 4% education cess, that is 25,000 into 4% is 4 by 100, that is 1,000 rupees. So total how much amount of tax we need to pay? 25,000 plus 4% education cess, that is 26,000 per year. 26,000 divided by 12 is your monthly taxable income. So I hope these two examples are clear for you. If anyone wants to calculate the tax according to their salary packages, you can calculate, like this is the ideal method to do so. So I hope this is clear. So still, if like anyone are facing issues like how to calculate the tax, like which tool is the best, don't think like that in that high level. Just go through these whatever schemes I have shown, and there will be a form for you which is available in your you know in your offices. Like if you ask them, they can provide you the different tax sections which will be available in your respective companies. So according to that, you just give your expenses based on the schemes you have availed, and then calculate accordingly, like whichever I have explained in this video. Just go and calculate yourself, which makes it will be easy for you. So you can share this video with your friends so that even they can calculate the tax without any confusions. So I hope this video is going to help you. Please do subscribe to my channel if this information is really valid for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. So I hope you got a clear idea about how to investment, like how to do investments and how to calculate both the new and old regime. So still, if you left with like without like if you haven't done any types of investment, still you can do investment, and by selecting a new tax regime, like if you have lower investments, you can select the new tax regime, and you can start investing from now. And while filing the IT returns, you can show under, like you can file under old tax regime, so that you can save the tax like that period of time. Still, like if you wish to invest from now onwards, you can do start your investment journey. So I hope this is clear, and I feel like this is a short and crisp explanation about the differences between both the tax regime. So I hope this is clear for you. So last but not the least, if you're looking for such an informative videos, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. So thanks for watching.